I've traded crypto, forex, and even binary options, and the same strategy kept working. That's how I know it's universal. So in this strategy, nothing is complicated. It's simple, straight to the point, and the results, as you can see, are amazing. With my strategy, I proved that you don't have to complicate things. You don't have to use 20 indicators and mix 10 different strategies. Just stick to the plan, stick to the rules, and let discipline do its work. So yeah, if you are interested in learning my strategy, just go to learnthestrategy.com/free. The link is in the description and in the bio.